Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And some of you guys might not know that I have a 2015 Ford Mustang GT Performance Pack. And in this video, I will be replacing the manifold on the air ride system, as the air ride system will not lower or raise due to a sensor fault. Luckily, I bought this air ride early enough that it has a lifetime warranty on the newer sales for air ride from Airlift Performance. They only get a 2-year warranty on customer installed and a 4-year on professional installed. Okay, so this is the issue I'm currently having, is there is a sensor fault on the right rear manifold sensor, and it will not let me air up or air down the car, and the car is currently slammed. So I'm not able to drive, move the car in any fashion. So I called Airlift Performance at their 1-800 number and showed proof of when I ordered the airlift kit from CJ Pony Parts in 2018, and luckily I'm grandfathered into a lifetime warranty. So I will be replacing the manifold with a new style manifold that they have slightly changed over the years. Right there is the manifold, and I'm going to have to unplug all 5 of the air lines. I'm going to take tape and label each one, moving from left to right, from number 1 all the way to 5, and then calibrate the system and see where we're at. Hopefully that fixes any of our issues. Okay, so there is more of a difference in these 2 manifolds than what I thought. This was the original manifold I had. As you can see, it looks a little bit smaller. It's not quite as deep down this way. See? And they seem to have the same footprint this way. And one other improvement that I see of these manifolds, on the new manifold or the replacement refurbished manifold, these fittings are replaceable on this manifold. I believe I have the 1/4 inch tubing. You could change this out to the 3/8 if you wanted to, but I guess around your airbags you have to change the fittings on each airbag too. I don't think a 1/3 of an inch is, or excuse me, I don't think 1/8 of an inch is a lot and would do much for me. See, this is the way they used to be. They were hard seated. Don't know if it was removable at home or not to swap it to the bigger fittings. This manifold seems, maybe they improved something on the inside to make it a better manifold. Okay, now Bag Riders recommends putting 1 to 2 capfuls of the CRC air brake anti-seize and conditioner in your system. They recommend about 2 to 3 times a year putting this in. You would fill the cap up and you're going to use a syringe like one of these I got at Walmart. One of these syringes on your tank. You'll have a port that'll have a that you didn't use with a cap, a bolt style cap threaded in. You'll remove that, and of course when there's no air in your tank, you would relieve all the air, and then you would put the 1 to 2 capfuls that you're going to fill into here in your tank before airing it up. Feels almost like gasoline. Okay, so not sure if you can see, but this was here. I loosened it and took it out. If you get this stupid one with the small nipple, I thought this was one like you do your ears with when you have a clogged ear. You need to make sure this is up like this and shoot it in fast. And then you just put this back on. Of course, you need to make sure you have your Teflon tape around it real good. Okay, so it looks to be working now. You may hear the air pumps pumping. Before, the pumps wouldn't even turn on. So I'm going to start the calibration. Is the vehicle on a level surface? Yes. Are the front wheels straight aligned? Yes. Is the vehicle and all wheels free from obstructions? Yes. Is the manifold mounted? Yes. Do you have 1 or 2 compressors? I have 2. Now I hear both of them going. Calibrate manual or auto. I'm going to shut the door here. The car's going to start moving. Auto. Do you have height sensors? No. Vehicle will now move. Are you ready? Yes. Checking mounting. Step 11 of 17. Step 12, low pressure, waiting for compressor. It's only at 70 psi. I think it needs to be at, okay, I felt the front airbags move, but it's still too low. I think it needs to be in the hundreds. I think this goes all the way. Used to have it set to like 150 for max psi in the tank. I'm very excited that both pumps are working now because they wouldn't even work before. Checking front. Okay, it's airing the front end up. Calibration success, ready for use. Exit. Okay, so I was getting an error message on the screen here that incompatible versions. So I've synced my cell phone to this with the Bluetooth Airlift Performance app, and I am updating the display, which I don't think you can, well, there you go. So I'm updating the display through the firmware app, or through the application, I should say, and hopefully that will resolve the issues. You can also control the air ride with your cell phone. And it looks like we're only about a third of the way across, so this will take some time. And I have to figure out what my presets used to be, because I don't remember what I had them at. I believe I was 50 some PSI front and mid 80s, 82-ish in the rear for driving. I will have to turn that all back on and do the presets again. Man, does it look good when it is slammed, boy. I know she's a little bit dirty and the rims are real dirty. I need to give her some more love. Guys, all in all, today was very successful. With the new manifold, I am back up and running and everything is great again. Boy, I love this car and I missed it so much. When you can't drive something for so long, you don't realize how badass it really is. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe.